All right, we are here at the next trail. Show you guys. That's where we at. Got my lovely crew today. It's supposed to be an easy 2.7 mile in and out, or you say round trip. It's 86, 87 degrees outside today. Thought we'd take a trip here, walk, have some fun before winter comes.
You need jeans or type of different thing. Most of those things. With your girlfriend, we go to a bridge.
Well,
Oh, I'm scared for bridge.
looks like this is a place for kids to have fun. Little stop area right here. Yeah, this is a mountain bike trail also. Whichever way you guys want to go, but I think this is for mountain bike. Yeah, this way. It's for us. No, mountain bike không phải. Oh. Okay, so that right there over there was for mountain bike, not for kids to play. That makes sense now. Ina, what are you doing? What are you doing, Ina? So we found wild baboon out here. On this next side over there is somebody's farmland, soybean, I believe. I need to go buy a GoPro. It'll be easier.
Yeah, it will be.
Oh, look, somebody's land. Are we there yet, guys? I'm tired. Whew. Whew, not even a mile and I'm already sweaty.
Water?
It's a good walk.
I'm getting hungry.
What? You already hungry?
Oh, right here!
Oh yes, this is like a nice spot. It's a nice trail along the river. So far, it's easy walk. Lots of shade. If you are a person who sweats a lot or get tired a lot because of the sun, this is a good spot for you. Lots and lots of shades along the trail. Whatever way you want. You lead the way. What does it say? What does it say? JPC or you know, you have fun? Yeah? We're gonna have to take a photo at the sign board. Because you guys are gonna be on YouTube.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep. You're gonna be on YouTube.
No.
Yep.
No.
You're gonna be famous, girl.
No.
Super famous one day.
No.
Yep.
No.
You don't wanna be famous?
No.
I'll make sure you become famous.
Oh, shit. Almost fell.
We are almost there, you know. Almost there.
Not close right now. Not halfway.
You guys going to rest? There's a rest spot right there.
Where? Wow. And it opens up to the river. Dad.
You guys want to rest right here?
Yeah, we should have catfish right here.
You guys want to rest? We can rest right here. Look at the open.
Line.
Are we there yet, Ina?
Yeah.
We're not there yet? Almost? You want to say something to YouTube? You sure?
Look now, go on now.
You put this out back up.
Go in there. Whoa.
Parkour! Parkour!
Oh, Mom, we should cross that bridge right there.
Yeah, we are going to cross the bridge. What bridge? You like?
Right there.
I don't see it.
Right there. You go right there and go right there. You see it? It's right there.
Hang on,
Go right there.
Oh.
It's right there. Mickey, you see it right there?
Look at that, Ina. Parkour. And gymnastic?
Oh. Top 40.
Look, guys, we found a turtle along the way.
Mickey, I bet you can't hold it.
Don't hold it.
It's going to butt.
You don't know.
Hi.
Let's go.
Mom, we should go back. No, we should come back after we're done. And we should, Bye-bye.
We won't do anything. Leave it alone. You are an evil boy.
I'm about to. I got you guys. You guys have to better stick to the fight.
Here, where we at?
We're just a bridge.
You don't know.
Mom, you ready to cross it?
Let's cross the
Oh
bridge.
my gosh.
Ooh, a little scared, guys. I don't know. Don't shake the bridge. Don't shake the bridge. Mama moi. Mama moi. Hold on to it. One person at a time. Don't stay too close to the edge. Hold your sister.
One at a time. Come on, Nana.
Mama. Woo, you guys are shaking the bridge. I don't know.
Come on, Mom.
I'll meet you guys at the other side.
Come on. I can't do it without you.
Go back. I'm coming. Go. Go. Go, 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 go. I don't need you guys at the bridge. Go.
Be walking.
Ooh,
Hey, Mom.
that was scary,
I thought
guys.
you were moving.
That was so scary. That was so scary.
No, we should cross the big one over there. That wasn't even scary.
They overgrow everything.
It's not living, get it.
What is it? What, chains?
Yeah.
How big is it?
Long.
Not big?
It's long.
Oh, very long.
Not big like that.
Careful, you're gonna hit your mom.
Ina, let Daddy have that one. Daddy, make it. Ooh, Spider.
I'll hold it.
That's all.
I think your dad needs a stick.
Yeah, get Daddy a
Yeah.
stick. Yeah, get Daddy.
Among.
Did they?
Yeah, cái cổ kệ là tôi cho lần của đấy này.
Oh.
Lần của đấy tôi đi nó có. Tôi tay lâu của nó tá chứ.
Mine is
What
blue.
is
Tôi biết nó cũng mất nó bên đó.
What, like this?
Yeah, that's one.
Or like this one? No, like that. I think you should pick this one. Look, this one's done. Look.
Tôi có mất cái cháo nó khổ à.
What? Oh my God, I just done this. Come back, too tight. This is not walking, this is a
Là có này lại.
I think this is stronger than that.
Tụi nó.
Mine is vegetable.
Say that again?
You crazy guy.
They're crazy, huh?
Yeah.
You doing? You crazy too? Landmark. You tired, Ina?
No.
No? Are you thirsty?
No.
Are you hungry?
No.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yes? No?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Yeah.
Is there a water pump?
Yeah, có nói để quạt nó ra.
Oh,
Anything good.
I guess.
It's what mình biết quá.
All right, we made it to the end. Now we're gonna go back, loop around.
Có mùa hay là ha.
All right,
Ha.
looks like a private land over there, but we're gonna loop around.
How about the other side?
Dad! Where are you going?
Look around.
Why?
What's up?
Oh, something like that.
In there?
Yeah. It's a dark plant.
We are going back. And it's about 1.5 miles. Took about
1 hour.
25 minutes, maybe. So we're gonna go back. I think your dad might need some water.
Daddy, water? What?
Oh, that was a scary moment. Crossing that was scary.
Oh! Come on, go look on up here.
Try it.
How was the trip, Eli?
Mommy.
Do it again? How was the trail? 4, 5? 5? 3 star? 2 star? 1 star? No comment? No comment.
You must not.
Oh, I'll get it.
Easy? Easy trail?
Easy money.
Oh, yeah, go 10
Sister-in-law, what do you think? Easy trail?
No,
Wait,
it was good.
wait.
I'll do it again.
What about you?
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
No, I'll eat it.
Star.
5 star, Eli? You know?